welcome back to Wednesday's video reading from chapter 2 of Beasts of Olympus, Beastkeeper by Lucy Coates. So far in the chapter we have learned a little bit more about why Demon was taken from his home in Arcadia up to Mount Olympus, and he's there to look after the animals in the stables of the gods. We've learned that he doesn't really have much of a choice in this, because if he refused then he'd end up offending the goddesses, which wouldn't be a very good thing to do. Today we're going to be reading the next part of chapter 2, so let's begin. Hephaestus turned out to live inside a mountain. He was hammering at his forge when Pan and Demon walked in. "Just a minute," he yelled. "Just got to finish this sword for Ares. He's always breaking them in one of his idiotic wars, the crazy fool." Demon watched with amazement. Hephaestus grabbed the blazing metal with his bare hands, and a man-like creature that seemed to be made of gold and silver pumped the bellows. "One of my automation robots," shouted Hephaestus when he saw Demon looking at the metal creature. "I made it a while ago to help in the forge. Not much for chatting, but great at keeping the heat steady. I've got lots of different kinds. Useful creatures, these robots." There was a final clang, and then the smith god put down his tools. So that's all we're going to be reading today. So it's quite a short passage, but your task now is to either write a short paragraph or draw a picture about what you think Hephaestus's workshop looks like. So you might just want to go back and reread through the passage that we've just read. So we know that he lives inside a mountain, and it says he's hammering at his forge when Pan and Demon walked in, so maybe you might want to look up pictures of what a metal forge looks like. Make sure that you do check with an adult before you do any Googling, and internet safety rules. If you come across anything that you're not sure about, make sure you inform an adult as well, please. We also know that he's made a robot, so a gold and silver automation robot. So that might be something that you want to include in your description as well. So let your imagination run wild. Think about what it could look like. Like I said, it's inside a mountain. So either draw a picture or write a description using lots of lovely adjectives about what you think Hephaestus's workshop looks like. We look forward to seeing your interpretations, whether that's drawing a picture or writing a description. And as always, you can send those to the Year 4 email address or your individual class email address as well. That's all for today's video, so I shall see you tomorrow. Thanks very much for watching. Bye!